Prime Minister Modi. All right, we have breaking news coming in. Supreme Court has expressed displeasure over ex-Minister Maneka Gandhi's criticism of Apex Court orders in stray dogs case, saying she's committed contempt. Now, criticism of order on stray dogs, Supreme Court says that it was not initiating contempt against Maneka Gandhi due to its magnanimity, but it questions Maneka Gandhi on what budgetary allocation has she helped in getting for solving the stray dogs problem. Supreme Court says its remark on making dog feeders accountable was not made sarcastically but on a serious note. So, this is Supreme Court commenting on Maneka Gandhi's statement criticizing the stray dogs the observation that have been made by the Supreme Court. My colleague Rhythm Bharadwaj, Executive Head of Legal Affairs, joins us on the phone line for more. Rhythm, tell us more what the Supreme Court said on Maneka Gandhi's criticism.
Well, first, the Supreme Court has now passed an order saying we've heard arguments on individuals, NGOs, etc. It's now listed for further hearing on 28 Jan at PM. And then they will also hear the arguments from the states and the amicus. This case will now come up at 2 PM. There were a lot of arguments that were present before them for stray dogs. Siddharth Dave has presented arguments. Maneka Gandhi's lawyers had presented arguments. Largely today what we are seeing in the court is once again questions being raised on how these dogs need to be treated, and a lot of arguments on that have been given in the court. We've also seen a lot of arguments coming forward where they are saying that there is a lot being said about Ajmal Kasab and Justice Singh Kasab has not committed contempt. A lot of words also coming today on the sterilization process and saying that these things are being televised, etc.
Right. Many thanks, Rhythm, for joining us with details on that story coming in. We were shifting focus to Tamil Nadu now. Months ahead of the Tamil Nadu state assembly elections, a major corruption scandal has hit the Stalin government. According to ED, an ED note, allegations have surfaced of massive 1,000 crore rupee kickback scam that involves bribery and examination and officer selection process, with bribes allegedly ranging from 25 lakh rupees to 35 lakh rupees being collected from each candidate. The ED claims the details of around 150 candidates were recovered from the phone of associates linked to KN Nehru, along with information pointing to the involvement of his close aides. The note further seeks scrutiny into the appointments of nearly 2,500 candidates and states that evidence related to the large-scale collection of bribes has been provided. Sharda, my colleague, joins us live with the broadcast for more. It's a big allegation on corruption, Sharda, that is being made. But what has been the stance of the government of DMK?
Well, Rakshita, this started last year in January when the ED went on raids in KN Nehru and his brother KN Ravichandran and his son KN Arun Nehru's house. And following which in July, there was a second set of raids which was also done in the party headquarters of KN Nehru and also his offices where the TVS real estate business which is run by his brother.